Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. Today I am going to show you my journaling subscription for February from Hubman and Chubgirl. I normally get the sticker subscription, but I didn't get it this month, so it's just the journaling one I'll be using. And then I'm going to set up the month of February in my journal. So let's take a look. The speciality item this month is Perfect Eggs Washi Flakes, she's calling them. And they're like little individually cut washi stickers here that look like eggs, only the yolk is in the shape of a cat. And then we have 3 larger sticker sheets, Pan, Cats and Waffles, Good Meowing. This is my favourite sheet with the different milk and coffee cups and stuff like that. Avocado Toast, please. And then this is the journaling card that comes with it, a little breakfast table scene. And then we have our 2 vinyl stickers. One is pancakes and the other is toast, eggs and bacon. And then we get our 5 smaller sticker sheets. So we have Pan, Cats and Waffles, Perfect Brunch Cake, Good Meowing, Eggs and Cat. Oh, instead of bacon, Cat. There you go. Took me a minute to get that. And then Perfect Toast. And then here we have Perfect Breakfast February, the February headers. Perfect Breakfast February again. We now have 5 headers. This used to be banners, but she's changed it. If you want to hear all about the subscriptions, I link a video I did below telling you all about it, and it'll also show what the January subs were if you're interested. Then we get days of the week, monthly date dots, and date dots, Perfect Breakfast. So that's February's journal subscription. I'm really looking forward to getting this all set up, so let's get started.
Something missing in my soul, chasing highs yet always feeling low. I remember how you looked, one hello and I was hooked, found the missing piece that made me whole. True love don't come round very often, it's like sunshine after the rain, but you I hope I'm not coming on too leather jacket on in the snow. Always such a cool guy, new life, new clothes. But baby, you're the same. I see it from afar. You haven't changed a bit. And you still make the same tired jokes. Thank God that I moved on, but heaven knows how you broke me down. Haven't seen you in a while, but I don't miss you at all. But I hope you do. Yeah, I hope that you think of me. See my face in strangers in the street. Every time you drink tequila, you still picture me there, dancing in the dark. I bet your heart skips a beat when you see something that reminds you of me. Baby, when you drink tequila, you still picture me there beside you in the dark. Yeah, I hope it hits you hard. It feels good to know you want me back. You took me for granted, now I got the upper hand. The tables have turned, I am not the same girl. I hope that you think of me. See my face in strangers in the street. Every time you drink tequila, you still picture me there, dancing in the dark. I bet your heart skips a beat when you see something that reminds you of me. Baby, when you drink tequila, you still picture me there beside you in the dark. But I hope you're feeling so lost without me that you can't sleep at night. No one to call, yeah. Call when you're feeling down. But what goes around comes back around. You had to learn the hard way. Yeah, I hope that you think of me. See my face in strangers in the street. Every time you drink tequila, you still picture me there, dancing in the dark. I bet your heart skips a beat.
That's me all set up and ready to go. Thank you so much for watching and take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye!
When you drink tequila, you still picture me there beside you in the dark. Yeah, I hope it hits you hard.